Hey host, it's been a while. So today, actually, I'm gonna take you along with me because I have a brow client and then a lash client. So let's do a day in the life of a studio owner. Let's go. It's honestly like super windy right now. I literally just walked to work and this is my outfit with the water bag. I can't wait to show you guys how we changed the studio. I just like to put this down. Good morning! I like to say good morning to my plants. That one is Bella, and this little palm tree is no, this is Bella, and that's Annabelle. That's Annabelle.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. In those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. goes much deeper once you get to me.
It's now the next day. I feel like I didn't have a proper ending to my first day just because it got so busy. It's definitely a nicer day today. Just want to show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take you to today, and we're at the shop, and we have a few eyebrow clients and also a few lash clients.
Like in your ear?
Yep. I don't care.
You don't talk to them?
Not really, no. Because like I can sense like auras and stuff. If they walk in and I'm not feeling them, I won't say anything to them. If they seem like a cool person, I'll talk to them.
Unless they keep talking to you, right?
Yeah. Sometimes it gets annoying. Like if I'm in a good mood, I don't mind at all. But if it's something stupid, like if they're asking me questions about the origin of the hair, I'm gonna get upset.
Are you going back to school?
Yeah, I'm trying to start college next week, but like I didn't pass English with the high enough mark. Like I passed and I graduated, but I need a 65 to get into the program. So So I'm retaking it right now, and I just did my exam, so hopefully I got to 65.
What did you get in English?
I got a 50.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but I don't know what I got right now because I just did the exam yesterday. Or no, I did it on Wednesday, and he's supposed to tell us our marks today. And I need to hand it in by the 31st to the George Brown admissions people so I can get in because the program starts on the 8th. So hopefully I passed. Because if I didn't, then I can't start until next year.
Yeah, or next semester.
And then I'm going to run away. You think I'm joking, but I'm actually not.
Thank you guys so much for coming along with me and spending the day. Well, actually 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog properly before I forget. See you guys on my next vlog.